Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and in today's video is an experiment, okay? So I'm gonna try to make my hair straight using curl formers. These are curl formers. As you can see here, you're supposed to, put your hair here and it gives you the form of these beautiful spirals. Now I did it once on my channel and I never touched it again. So I was trying to think of how I can repurpose this and I was thinking like, can I just make it straight? What if I can just make them straight and I could put it out through my hair and hopefully my hair can get straight from there. So I went to YouTube, of course. When you're trying to find out a tutorial on something, you go on YouTube. So I found one, which is exactly what I was looking for, and it was by, I'm reading her right here, Viv Hair Therapy, and the video title is, I made a straight former from my wave former. Clearly this is not wave formers, but you get it. But in her video, she boiled it and then she made it straight. When I boiled it, it came out like this, so it wasn't as tight. So I decided to go through a different route, and Anthony decided, because he came up with the idea of why don't we just iron it. So I ironed it and it came out like this, really straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it turned out, and then I'm gonna apply it all throughout my hair. I'm behind the camera, so if it's not a good angle, you know why. Okay, so we have the curl former right here, nice and beautiful. And then we're gonna go ahead and straighten this baby. Safety first, get a towel.
Because you can't just put it on plastic.
Because it's gonna melt.
Smart.
Nice hands.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're gonna go
there.
ahead. Ay! I don't know what to say right now, so let's just watch this beauty in action. We're almost done with the first one. This is why it took you so long to do. Okay, dun 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 dun. Straight formers right here. So, yep, so that is the before. And then this is the after using it with an iron. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the whole process. I got a lot to do and I'm not gonna record every one because that's gonna take a long time. But this is just a few that I have already done. And we are done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I slept with this overnight and I lost one. And just by looking at the result of this, I already know that I messed up. This is gonna be a fail. However, I'm gonna go ahead and still take it out and I'm gonna attempt to do a side braid because my hair looks like it's gonna be stretched out. So, I don't know, man. I don't know what I was really expecting. It looks like waves. It's like when I applied it through my hair, it was straight and then it got, oh, it doesn't look that bad. Got like a little wave to it. But yeah, it was pretty easy to sleep last night. It was nothing crazy. I feel like I'm going straight to the point with this. I'm just taking it out. Let's see. This shows me like I need to cut my ends. Wonder if I can actually, I don't think I would actually wear it out, but it doesn't look bad.
It's interesting, it's flat.
It is flat.
Flat wavy hair.
And that was it, that's the last one. Oh, my hair feels so flat.
But I mean,
at least it feels really
flat.
soft.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna look. It is really stretched out.
It just looks wavy.
Yeah, it does look wavy. I don't know if I would like leave the house like this.
No, you wouldn't.
You think it looks that bad?
Maybe from the side it looks way different than what you're seeing from the front.
Oh, it looks crazy on the side? Yeah. I feel like the back of my head look kind of rough.
No.
You see, like if I wanted to do a style, I could do a style. You want to pin this back and leave it like this? That's not bad. That's a look. I'm going to do a side braid. I want to see how that looks. And maybe I need to apply like maybe better styling product. I used the Talia Wajid and I used a gel to do this. Maybe a mousse. I don't have a mousse. Go, go, go. What song is that?
The Do You Really Want It?
Oh yeah, it is. You really want it.
This is Ricky Martin.
Go, go, go. Ale, ale, ale. Honestly, I don't know what's the point of this video. Well, you know, the point of this video was I wanted to see if I can make my hair straight using this. And it did work out. I would use this more to stretch my hair out if I'm not trying to use heat. But I feel like there's other methods to stretch your hair out than using this. You can like wrap your hair overnight and you can have it more stretched out. And then you can from there style your hair. So I don't know if I would do this again. Ay, Dios mío. This is going to be a really messy braid because I just want to see how it looks. And then I think I have a full video on actually doing a side braid. And I did a fishtail braid, so I'm definitely going to link that because that was a good video.
It was.
It really was. Braid it all the way down. I think it looks bad. I like a little stretched out braid look. I like it. But I think that's pretty much really what I wanted to do with this video. I wanted to go ahead and experiment to see how it looked. You guys saw the results. Now let's catch up with each other. What is up, guys? This is the last week of May. Today is May 27th. By the time this video posts, it's gonna be, I think, next Saturday, the following Saturday. I ironed so many curl formers, but I only used probably like 15. And we ironed like 35. So I have half that are still straight that I'm like, damn.
I thought you would have to use them all.
Me too. I thought but I guess I didn't. Oh, I ordered a new hair product. I've been doing that. I said I was on a no month buy, but that ended like back in April.
Someone said.
That ended back in April, my no month hair buy. I bought a new shampoo and currently in the mail I bought hair oil, I bought a refresher spray, and I bought a, what did I buy? I bought another like a hair spray, like a hair water, like a hair tonic. So I bought that. And by refresher spray, I literally mean just a spray. I need to buy a spray bottle. I still need to buy one. So I should do that. I'm gonna go on Amazon. I'm gonna buy a new spray bottle. If I was gonna do a style, I don't know. I felt like popping in. If I was gonna do a style, I would do something like this. This is kind of like braided and then pinned back. So I think this is a look. Anthony, you asked if I would do this again. No, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
Eh.
What should people talk about in the comments?
Oh yeah, if you're watching it to this point, God bless. Leave a comment down below letting me know when was the last time you got a haircut. Because the last time I got a haircut was in December, so it's about to be 6 months. And I kind of wanted to do a video about a 6-month like hair growth update. So let me know if you'll be interested in that. I'm going to film it anyways, but like if you guys are interested, that makes me more excited to film it. So let me know down below. But yeah, when was the last time you got a haircut? And then I'm going to, what am I going to do right now? Maybe I might go for a walk. Probably not. I don't think I am.
Y'all watching Space Launch?
Oh yeah, there's a space launch today.
Will it launch?
Did it launch already?
No, 4:30.
4:30. What time is it? Oh, it's 4:15. Oh.
So now you know when this video took place. Probably
Yeah, now you know when it took place. I think I'm gonna post this next Wednesday. So that works out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.